All right guys, well welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at my 1979 Honda CB650. I picked up this CB650 for $550 down in St. Mary's, Georgia. Running, has a little oil leak, but other than that, it's a fantastic platform for a budget cafe racer build. Let's dive into this project. Trusty Milwaukee Sawzall and a fresh metal blade. It'll cut through this frame real quick, a lot easier than a cutting wheel, which is really loud, and this seems to do a more efficient job. Well, in this part of the build, or should I say unbuild, we are gonna make a seat pan template out of, yeah, that's right, a pizza box. We're gonna lay this out in the new place where the seat is gonna be. We'll trace it out with a marker, trim it out with some scissors. Then we'll get some material that we can trace this onto that will bend a little bit, and we'll send that off to upholstery to get a new custom seat.